Hello friends, welcome to my new video of regular expression. In the previous video, we have discussed what is regular expression, what is positive closure, what is clean closure, and basics of creating a regular expression into a non-deterministic finite automata. In this video, we will learn some more about regular expressions, like as converting regular expression into automata and writing its language and many more things. So let's start without wasting much time. So let's solve some examples. Like we have a question: create finite state automata that ends with BA. That is the strings should be end with BA. So the minimum string that the language will contain will be BA, and after that it may contain many other words like A, B, BA, but it should be that the last two letters will be B and A. So here for BA we will construct an automata. So how we can construct it? Like for minimum string we must have uh, initial state Q0. After that Q1. From Q0 to Q1 we got a transition when we consume an alphabet B. After that we will consume A and we will reach to Q2, the final state. So this is the basic structure for BA string, and after that when we put A in front of BA, it will, as we all know, it should be end with BA. So for Q0 we will create a self loop so that it will end with BA, and after that in the other case BBA we have B in front of BA, first B, then as per the question it should be end with A, so the B in between these two will be worked as self loop. So Q1 got a self loop of B. After that when the string lasts with BA we don't want any other thing to come, so that's why we have a loop, we have a edge from Q2 to Q0 transitioned by A, and also Q2 to Q1 transitioned by B. Similarly you can see many more examples. The phenomena is same, that is the concept is same. First you have to trace the language, what will be the language, what will be the strings it will have. Like in this app does not end with BA, so it may contain double A, it may contain double B, and so on. So this is the, we can take it as vice versa. Like here in this question we have end with BA, and here we have does not end with BA. That means it is reverse of question number 1. So if we exchange the initial and final state, our question will be also reversed, that is end with BA to not end with BA. That's why in the previous question if we replace final and initial position, then we got its finite state automata. Similarly in question number 3 you can see create finite state automata in which first and last letter of a string should be different. So this is the automata. The minimum string is A, B and BA. First and last should be different. So minimum is AB, BA, then again AB, BA, because first and last, that is first is A and last is B. First, and if first is B then last should be A. So these are the strings accepted by this language. So let us create an automata for it. So there should be a initial state, and after that for string AB we will create an automata. From Q0 to Q1 we have an input element A, and we transition to Q1. If we have another element B we consume it then we will get a final state. We should get to a final state. That's why we have a q2 final state. This is for minimum string ab. Similarly, we will make a consecutive automata for ba, and after that, for these conditions like ab, we will create self loop in this. How we can create self loop? Like here we have consumed a, after that we have b. Okay, we have b, then again we have a. So what to do? So if we have again a, then we should move to q1, so that the last element should be different from a, and again we have b. So if we take a self loop on q2, it will be on final state again. Similarly, for this automata for ba, we will create self loop like this. So this is the finite state automata. We have also some different automatas like create finite state automata for even number of a and b. So even as per the question, even number of a and b. So what is the language? Language should be, it should contain a null value. Even number of a as b, double a double b, ab, that is number of a and number of b should be in even number. It 4 times a, 4 times b, and so on. So you can see in this automata how we have created. We have a final state, and e represents even and o represents odd, and this is the ab elements. Initially we have even a and even b, so this is the final state. And if we have added another b, then the number of b's will be odd. You can see in the picture. And if we remove one b, we again go to final state, that is even b. Same for all the states. You can see each and every transition is depicted by arrows. And some another question like create finite state automata for first and last letter of a string should be same. That is, the language should be aa bb aba. First and last should be same. You can see, as we have seen in previous question, first and last should be different. That is, if it start with a, it should be end with b. And in this case, if we replace the final and initial state, it will be same as. Or otherwise, we have this diagram. You can see in this diagram how it is accepting the strings. If you have any doubt or query, you can comment in the video. I will surely give it a brief solution to it. So let's move further. So friends, I think this video is getting longer, so I will be cover next topic in the next video, but we will have a short introduction to this. As like in this video we have discussed about regular expression, positive closure, clean closure. In the next video we will be discussing union, concatenation, and many different properties. Based on that, we will create a regular expression for a given language. Like we have language as in this question we have to create a regular expression for that accept all type of a's, like a, double a, single a. So this should be r is equal to a star, that is, it should contain null value also, all combinations of a. I will be giving you a short description of the problems. Here we have the language that contains any number of a and b, a double a, b double b, or any number of b. So this is represented by r is equal to a plus b star, that is clean closure. So here you can see in the next question we have starting with a and ending with b in this problem, and we have any combination of b in between them. So this is the required answer. How we can write it like the string should be start with A and end with B, and B star represent any combination that have B. And you can also see this type of examples. You can pause the video and see. You can try to solve it, and if you have any query we will discuss in the next video. So I think it's getting longer, so we should stop here, and we will have solution of this problem in the next video. Thank you friends for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you friends.